Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how to open the bin files on the Android phone. And for example, I got the bin file, but actually this is the screenshot and I can open it as usual. How to open this file? It's actually very easy. So the first alternative that you can try is rename the format of this bin files. So you can start to mark this and go to these three dots and then click the rename here. And since this is the screenshot, it usually formed as the JPEG or JPG or the PNG. And for example, I'm gonna make it to be the JPG and then click OK and then rename file extension and go to this rename. And now you're gonna see this bin file now can be opened. For example, like this, and this can be or accessible perfectly. So that's the first alternative that you can try to open this bin files. You gotta know what is the format that you'd like to open. Let's say the bin file, but it is the MP3 or music. So you need to change the format or rename it to be the MP3. And you can also try the Android app, the bin file viewer and editor. You can simply install it first from the Play Store, and don't worry because this is for free. And you need to connect it to or allow or give the permission for this bin file viewer to access your folder or device so that this bin file viewer can open this bin file for you. So don't forget to try these two tips, and I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.